What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mogadishu.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two sisters and one brother.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What do you do for fun?
I like to read books.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to school.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 a.m.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Ramla.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV sometimes.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like painting.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Arabic.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to France and Italy.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Absolutely. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn because of the colorful leaves and cool weather.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, hiking in the woods is so refreshing and peaceful.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I went to a concert last year with my friends.
Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I'm on Instagram and Facebook.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses when reading or watching things.
When do you usually study?
I typically study in the afternoon.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to become a doctor.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, music is a big part of my daily routine.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiot.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Yes, I met a famous singer in Somalia, Sharma Boy.
Subscribe to my channel.